Today we're making dairy-free chicken Alfredo. Start out with 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Next you'll add 3 cups of mushrooms, which are full of antioxidants, B vitamins, and vitamin D. Stir the mushrooms up and sauté them a couple of minutes until soft. Put them into a bowl. Next, add another tablespoon of avocado oil, and then pour in some diced red onion and 4 chopped garlic cloves. Both of these are heart-healthy, cancer-fighting, and antibacterial. After those are sautéed, you'll add in some soaked raw cashews, full of healthy fats, protein, and copper, which help with energy production and a strong immune system. Pour the mushrooms into a blender, and then you'll add the cashew mixture. Add 1 cup of filtered water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Add in a little black pepper and some sea salt. Put on the top of your blender, and then you will mix that together very well. Remove the top from your blender and pour it over your favorite noodles. I like to use whole wheat, lentil, spaghetti squash, or zucchini noodles. Next you'll add in some diced cooked chicken. Your meal is complete. Enjoy!